What is going on, guys? This is Po Boys. We're at the drag strip right now. Gavin's got his truck. I got the Ultima, but I'm not running it. Harry is running his car. What do you think you're gonna run today?
First run, I'm gonna take it really easy because it's first time on the track.
Well, yeah, but I mean, once you get a few runs in.
I'm gonna try to get into 13s with the EcoBoost, which is really hard for a manual. Stock, yeah.
All right.
Stock.
Pretty much stock. Austin, what you going for?
There's no tune on it. 15s period, because I don't have 30.
15s period. But we'll see. What you loading them down to?
I'm gonna do about 22.
Man, slap them down to like 10. Dragster's already getting ready. Woo, boy. So Gavin's heating up this here nitrous bottle because it's best when hot.
Well, we weren't supposed to have to use this. I brought this as backup.
Backup.
Dude.
Man, these mosquitoes.
All right, nope. That's it.
It's caught on fire.
Any of y'all have some off? Is this thing on?
Hello? Why won't my GoPro turn on? Did I forget to put a battery in it? That'd be really funny.
That would be good.
I think I did. I think I definitely did. No, it's got a battery in it. It's just not wanting to turn on. Hello?
GoPro,
GoPro.
why are you talking to yourself?
Dude, it's not wanting to turn on. What the hell?
GoPro having problem with GoPro.
Let me put a new battery in it. Hello?
There it goes.
Okay.
And battery's dead.
Somebody done rolled the track down.
No, the they did not.
He checked them.
Well, we were about to run Gavin's truck and see what he'd do for just a start, but someone decided to spray the whole left lane with antifreeze. This is the first event that this track's been open for a while, so maybe could have been overheated car or dry rotted line or something like that. People bringing their cars out from sitting for a long time. That happens. It sucks. It'll probably be about an hour before we can get an actual run in, which sucks, but that's just how it goes. It's drag racing. We all just jumped in the back of his truck while it was rolling. There's Adam. There's Fama Mello.
Almost got ran over.
And we're about to try and make a run. It's been a little bit since they cleaned the track. They're still cleaning the track, but we're just gonna get in line so not many people can be behind him. Harry's gonna run, Austin's gonna run. We're gonna see.
Under there.
I caught it. God dang. That thing's on alcohol.
Yeah, I know. That's all I was just saying.
Oh my gosh. Boy. You ever had a like nitro RC car? That's what he's burning.
I did get
Yeah, in my mouth and everything.
Look at his eyes. Look at my eyes. I feel like I just got tear gas.
My eyes are.
He said something.
Like,
I was like, what?
Dude, I seen it. I was like, is he? I smell. I got a whiff of it.
This thing's on alcohol. He's like, huh? He's like,
Dude, I smelled it and I was like, that smells like a nitro RC car. So I got up next to it and I was like, boy. Boy. The car is so clean. Like the paint looks great and everything. On a shoe. Boy.
Look at the GoPro back there. Watch the shoe disengage. What?
Boy. Huh. Out of everything that's here, I'm most interested to see this.
You never ran it yet, huh? I've drove down the road.
What do you have done to it, if you don't mind saying?
Everything, buddy. I got everything.
Well, I mean motor-wise.
Full dart and sleeve, Glasgow pistons, rim, full roller rocker setup, single lobe. No, that's the H22.
Ah, what size turbo?
6266 Gen 2 ball bearing.
What are you expecting to see out of it?
Once we get the boost controller set up, I'm hoping to get a low 10 by the end of the night.
Heck yeah. This thing is sweet. It burned my face off as soon as I got my face close to that exhaust.
Don't crank it up inside the shop nowhere.
Oh.
Hola. Hi.
Are you racing anything?
I am not racing the rental. I'm not racing my rental car. Let me see your balls, Daniel. Look at how cute
It's
these
the
are.
only thing I had. I forgot to grab
Look at mine versus Daniel. Daniel. Mine versus Daniel's.
Look,
Daniel's got small balls.
leave me alone.
Yeah, someone antifreeze the entire left lane. Street car boy, pushing his own car. Feel free to turn it on. So Stuff's getting real right now. People are starting to race. It's game on right now. Might have been an hour later than we had to be, but at least it's getting started. Harry just ran a 14.3. This thing smells like alcohol.
Fuck yeah!
Was it?
Well, I know, but
I've never seen a meatloaf smile so happy.
son, that's fucking cool.
Sweet.
It's a hell of a lot better than I
Let me
thought I
see
would
your
do.
time.
Damn, Austin! It's not bad at all.
Without that,
That's not bad at all.
First, second, fourth. Look at that. Boy.
what the hell is that?
That's a wheelie machine right there, son. All right, so it's first pass of the night, so we're gonna try and get that number low.
Spray out the hole.
Spray out the hole.
Oh, you want to come drag some ass with me?
Let's go drag ass.
Come on, we got 4 people.
Let's go, Zorby. We're dragging ass with Zorby
What?
and his daily driver.
And me.
And Nick. All right, so Zorby's about to run Harry, and Harry just ran a
14-1.
14.1, and this is a G what? G35?
This is a G35 sedan.
G35 with an HR motor with 4 whole guys in the back.
Yeah.
So, what's up, boy?
What's
boy?
up,
Oh my gosh, bro! It's just a 6, and it's just a Harris. Oh my gosh, they're famous.
We're riding with Zorby and Po Boys, man.
And that's just a 6.
My car is.
Hi.
Look at these wheels. See these things come up here. Look. See? You see all that rust?
That's actually good for drag.
That's weight reduction. All right.
Yeah, brake pads, we don't need them. And this weight reduction back here, dude, you save it every inch you can. Rusty brakes is always the best brake. Zorby sticker at 16 horsepower, we're ready to go. Hey, you turning it off so the engine doesn't heat soak, that's smart.
Yeah. Yeah. I know what I'm doing, I promise.
Oh, there's smoke all up in the air, which either means head gasket or fire. Or overheat, which is always great.
I don't know what they're doing.
Man, we can't catch a break. There's smoke all up there, which means someone right on the track smoking. Hopefully they didn't put coolant or any oil on the track, because that would suck. Throttle hung, turned it off, and smashed both front tires and popped them.
He blew them up.
Yeah,
He
he
blew them because he locked them up.
God! That's insane.
can't
If
do
it's
that on
running like
bubble
a drag
Uh-uh.
car, it wouldn't take.
Vroom! The cars are back going room. Correct prediction.
That's what they sound like.
Rev it!
It's revving! I'm gonna do a burnout.
You're gonna do a burnout?
All or nothing.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
I dropped my vape!
Tell me, he don't want none. Yeah, I'm about to live stream this.
But he's gonna.
You're live streaming on Instagram. Follow Zorby. Ooh, ready? Come on, Zorby. No!
Oh no, he's getting gapped. What's up? I gotta get him. I gotta get him.
Crap, this is
Oh,
very
he's getting
close.
me. Damn it!
Bro, he ran.
No way! This is so close.
You almost trapped 100, dog.
I trapped.
Boy!
I was trapping like 95.
Oh my goodness, that was so close.
Close.
What the fuck happened?
He ran a faster quarter than you.
Hey, if I would have not missed second gear, I missed second.
I saw you miss.
Time to go fish.
Fish me, boy.
Say ah.
You're welcome, Poe.
Thank you. There's no abusing of the fish. Are you really checking the tire pressure?
Well, they were like 15 pounds different, so yes.
Okay.
Where the
Snapped it in. Dang, that sucks.
one pass out of it.
What did it run that one pass? 12 something? Dang.
We put the slicks on that time.
Yeah. It hooked pretty daggone hard. All right, brother. Have a good one.
You know what, Poe? It takes power to break shit.
If you don't follow Zorby, why don't you just follow him? Wow, look at that shooting star. Right there. Follow Zorby. I saw a shooting star. There's that Honda right there, and like they said, it broke an axle. They put the slicks on the front, and it was just too much bite. Just broke an axle right off. Ain't nothing too big, just a small replacement. At least the car's not dead.
Unless he's finna juice it up, I'm gonna call him out.
So Gavin just ran. It's most likely because he ran out of nitrous. So we're gonna put a 15-pound bottle on his truck, see if he can get down. What do we want?
Nitrous!
When do we want it?
Out the hole!
You're gonna spray out the hole, right? Two single cab white trucks. Boy! Oh boy, did you see that, Harris?
Did you see me tree him?
Bro,
I treed the fuck out of him.
What'd you get, Harry?
13.7, baby.
13.7. All right, guys, here it is. That's just a regular track day. Stuff got done. We ran Gavin's truck. Ran pretty much everyone ran except for me because I'm in my rental, not Caleb's rental. So I didn't run. Y'all had a good time. I had a freaking blast. Y'all have a freaking great night. I'm in a great mood. We're gonna go get some good food. Everything's happy. And next time we go to the track, I'll have a car. So y'all stay tuned, get ready for it, and remember to freaking send it.